Hey all, this is Software Focus, and today we're going back to basics with Snagit. You don't want to miss this. Today we will be covering the basic user interface elements of the Snagit program. We're going to start with the Snagit capture window, which can be opened by double-clicking on this red-orange Snagit icon. And we now have the Snagit capture window. Starting on the left, you have the three major capture types, all-in-one, image, and video. On the right, you have the red capture button that actually initiates the capture currently selected. And between these two, you have the various settings that can be configured for each capture type. In the upper left corner, you have your standard file, edit, view menus. Below, you have presets hidden under the presets button here in the corner. And these are kind of quick created, easy access presets that allow you to take a particular capture without configuring it. There is also an alternative capture window called the one-click window that can be enabled by going to View, Show One-Click, and it usually drops down from the center of the screen. It's a little docked widget that can be on the top or on the side of your monitor. And it's fairly simple. It just has the one red capture button. This is locked to all-in-one. It cannot be changed from that. You then have the three dashes down here that will reveal any presets you've created. Next, we're going to move on to the Snagit editor, which can be accessed by clicking this blue icon here. And we are presented with the Snagit editor. The largest portion of the editor is this center section, or the canvas. This is where you view what you're working on as well as do any edits that you need to perform. Up at the top here we have the toolbar, where there are various tools for editing purposes, texts, callouts, shapes, stamps, and more tools can be found under More, and you can also customize the toolbar under this menu. In the upper left, we have the buttons to access the library, start a new capture, and starting with Snagit 2020, the ability to create an image from template or a video from images. In the upper right here, we have the blue share button that gives you the share options to share out your captures more effectively. On the right side here, we have the properties and effects pane. Currently, the properties pane is available. This can be changed to the effects by clicking effects down at the bottom. In the lower left, we have the recent button that will show a listing of about 15 or so captures that you recently worked on. And then of course in the upper left you have your basic file, edit, image menus. Going into the library, on the right you have a thumbnail image or list image of all the captures and projects worked on within Snagit. And on the left side you have it broken down by type, so images, video, GIFs. It also has the ability to sort it out by date, so 2018, 2019. This will pull from any previous versions of Snagit you might have installed, so that explains why you see 2018 listed. And that concludes a review of the major user interface components of the Snagit application. This has been Software Focus. If you liked this video, hit that like button, or click subscribe to join the channel for future videos. If you have any feedback or ideas for future videos, please leave a comment down below. Keep focusing.